This report explains how revenue is generated from forestry enterprises and why estimating income is just as important as understanding costs when evaluating afforestation projects. Aimed at farmers, landowners, and students new to forestry economics, it focuses on woodland creation for timber production and introduces the key principles used to forecast financial returns over long time horizons. The report begins by defining revenue in a forestry context, showing that most commercial income comes from the sale of timber, usually many decades after planting. It explains how future timber revenues depend on a combination of tree species, site productivity, planting density, management decisions, and the length of time trees are left to grow before harvest, known as the rotation length. Central to this analysis is yield class, a measure of how productive a woodland site is, and yield tables, which are used to estimate future timber volumes. The report then explores how timber prices are formed, including the relationship between log size and value, and the differences between selling timber standing in the woodland or after harvesting at the roadside. It introduces 4 practical strategies for improving revenues: increasing the quantity of timber produced, improving marketing methods, changing the timing of harvests through thinning or delayed felling, and diversifying income streams. Finally, the report shows how these strategies feed into discounted cash flow analysis and net present value, or NPV, demonstrating how revenue choices can significantly affect the financial viability of woodland creation projects.